In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course to Circle. So, whether you're an educator looking to create an engaging learning experience or a community leader seeking to provide structured content, Circle.so offers a powerful platform to support your needs. Let's delve into the process step by step, ensuring you're ready to set up your course efficiently. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your community dashboard. This is your control center where you manage different spaces and interact with your community, making it essential for your course creation process. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the Spaces button. This leads you to a section where you can manage or create new spaces for your Circle community. Next, you'll choose to create a new space. This option is typically displayed prominently, labeled as Create Space. Clicking this takes you to an array of space types that Circle.so offers. Here, you need to select Course as the space type. Selecting Course sets the framework, allowing for the addition of structured educational content, including modules and lessons. After you have selected the course space, it's time to enter your course name and description. Carefully consider this detail, as it serves as the first impression prospective learners will have of your course. The name should be clear and descriptive, while the description should provide a succinct overview of what learners can expect. This section is crucial for attracting the right audience and setting clear expectations for the content within. Now that you have set the name and description, click the Create button. This action formalizes your space, making it ready for content input. You'll see a new dedicated area within your community dashboard specifically for this course. This area serves as a foundation where you can build and organize your educational material. Lastly, you'll want to add modules and lessons inside your newly created course space. This step is perhaps the most exciting as it involves crafting the actual content that learners will engage with. Consider breaking down your material into digestible modules and further into lessons to facilitate a gradual learning journey for your students. Ensure each module aligns with your overall course objectives and provides value to your learners. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up a course in Circle.so. By following these steps, you'll create a robust space for learning and interaction within your community. Remember, good preparation and thoughtful content creation are key. With Circle.so's intuitive interface, you'll be up and running in no time, ready to inspire and educate your audience.